Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so we tested the 9-day overnight. The Chinese adjusted the yuan, futures, spiked down a couple of times. Let's just hop over to the hourly. So they dump price here. Prince as low as 93.5. They take it back up. They do a lower high into about 5 in the morning. They dump it again. That time they do 93. So 93.75 and 93 here. None of that is a test of weekly pivot. None of that is a test of the weekly low. That could happen over the course of the day. What you would need to see if the bears are going to be the leaders today, so to speak. What you're going to need to see is that hourly mid-band hold in price. And it's trying to hold it in now. You need to see lower lows. You need to see involvement with the weekly pivot. In my opinion, you need to see a new weekly low. You need to break 89.75 and go ahead and start to push price to the downside. You have a series of lower highs after the new high from Wednesday. You had a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. You can see the doorway opening for the bears. They just have to walk through it. And the best way to walk through it is to convert this round number 2800 to resistance. Do the same thing with weekly pivot. And that has everybody heading into next week wondering if it's time for us to come back and deal with the daily mid-band. And that's way down 2764. So you got about 30, 35 handles from here to get down into that area. But it all keys off of the ability to hold in an hourly mid-band, to hold in 2800, and to hold in weekly pivot all as resistance. The bulls have had every opportunity, in my opinion, to get up into that 23 area and to reach for higher highs up in the area of the daily upper band. And they've missed every opportunity to do so over the past, 5 to 7 sessions. That opens the door over time for the bears to come in and start to push price around. And that's what they're trying to do today. I think the currency news, I think Trump opining on the dollar yesterday, I think it's just an excuse. But if they, look, all they've ever needed is an excuse. In a vacuum, this market has wanted to be higher. If we're coming out of a vacuum environment and getting into more of a headline-driven environment, that's an opportunity for the bears. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Don't overtrade today. It's a summer Friday. See if this thing wants to be directional. We're short right now against the hourly mid-band, and we'll see how that pans out. So far, so good. And I'll be out on social in a little bit. We'll do a midday update today. I want to get some stuff out over the weekend. The room is clicking. If you're sitting around trading this stuff every day, I invite you to come and check out the room. Come trade this stuff with us. We would love to meet you. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.